Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, Melmii Food and Lifestyle. Melmii, it's me. Come join with me today and let's cook together this amazing smoked salmon by Quiche. It's perfect for any occasion and for quick visits, and it's delicious. Join me. Let's cook together. For the ingredients you need 100 grams of butter, 250 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of seed mix, little bit of salt, 4 tablespoons of cold water. And for the filling, 200 grams of smoked salmon, 3 eggs, 100 grams of grated cheese, 200 grams of cottage cheese, 150 grams of sour cream, 50 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, 20 grams of capers, dill, and salt and pepper. Start by making your dough. For this, in a bowl, mix your flour, your seed mix, the salt, room temperature butter, and using your hand, mix it into an even mass. In the end, add the water and mix it until all the dough comes together into one stiff ball. Before cooking the dough, put it into the fridge for about 40 minutes. For baking the quiche, use a 26 centimeter baking pan. Start by covering the bottom of the baking pan with a baking sheet. Cut away the extra edges and use the paper for lining in the inside of the baking pan. Use a little bit oil for the paper to stick to the pan. And later cut away the overlapping pieces of paper. Take your dough off from the fridge and push it down using your fingers on the baking pan. Make it sure it's mostly even and the edges are a little bit higher. With a fork, make holes in the dough so it's not rise unevenly. And bake it in the oven 180 degrees for 10 minutes. For the filling, start cutting your salmon into smaller pieces. They don't need to be very small. Chop your capers and cut your sun-dried tomatoes into smaller pieces. Chop your dill and mix it all together in a bowl. Add your cottage cheese, your sour cream, the grated cheese, and the eggs. Finish it off with the salt and pepper and mix it all together very well. Pour the liquid on top of the pre-cooked dough and bake it in the oven in 180 degrees for about 40 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top. Before serving, cool down your quiche and garnish it with some red fish roe and some radish microgreens. Cut the quiche into preferred sizes depending on the amount of people and serve it with lemon slices. Can be enjoyed with family, with friends, or any occasion. Look how beautiful it is. Enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. Ring the bell, subscribe, and like the video. Bye!